Rogers Close, a quiet cul-de-sac nestled within the popular village of North Pemberton, situated on the outskirts of the popular market town of Bridgwater. And I have the absolute pleasure of bringing to the market this well-presented 4-bedroom end-of-terrace home, benefiting from a private, south-facing front garden and off-road parking to the rear. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So, if you're interested in arranging a viewing on this lovely home, or maybe a valuation on your own property, then please do get in touch.